Histamine is not just about allergies, sniffling and sneezing. Histamine is a survival signal. Your body is so smart. It is an immune messenger. It can act like a metabolic brake. And when histamine stays high, the body shifts into this survival protection mode. And the body will not prioritize burning fat when it feels like it's under attack. So histamine is more than an allergy response. You think of sneezing, itchy eyes, hives, seasonal allergies. But histamine is so much more. It's a release when your body senses danger. And today, the danger is often not coming from the outside, it's coming from inside the body, including toxins that are actually stored in your fat tissues, mold, mycotoxins, heavy metals, viral debris. Remember that pandemic we all went through? It's lingering. It's the gift that keeps on giving. And that's in the spike protein fragments that are related to that virus from the pandemic.